Hi everyone, welcome to Imaging Study. Today we are going to see a case of intussusception. Am I the only one who can't remember this spelling? An 8-year-old boy came with right upper abdominal pain and palpable lump. Let's see what we have got on ultrasound. Here you can see the high-frequency superficial view of the right hypochondriac region showing a sausage-shaped bowel mass. Multiple parallel hypoechoic and echogenic stripes are seen forming the sandwich sign. On transverse section, the concentric parallel rings of bowel wall is forming the target doughnut or bull's eye sign. The outer hypoechoic layer of the edematous bowel is called the intussusception. You may remember it as recipient, and the inner loop is intussusceptum. I rarely can't remember these terms. The intervening crescent of fluid and echogenic mesenteric fat are seen. You can see the movement of internal echogenic air also. So this is a case of intussusception. This condition may be transient, but in this patient surgical correction was done. There was no enlarged mesenteric lymph nodes. Here's the picture of the intussusception, and you can see on the left side the sausage-shaped bowel mass forming the sandwich sign. This is the outer loop, this is the inner loop, and you can see the crescentic anechoic fluid. This is the hyperechogenic air within the inner loop. And on transverse section, you can see the target sign or doughnut sign, or even you can say it bullseye sign, and you can see the outer bowel wall is edematous here. So again, the sausage-shaped structure with the loops marked here. So in summary, a sausage-shaped bowel mass with multiple parallel hypoechoic and echogenic stripes forming the sandwich sign, and on transverse section concentric parallel rings of bowel wall forming the target doughnut or bullseye sign is noted at the right hypochondriac region. The outer layer is edematous and the inner loop shows internal echogenic air with movement. The intervening crescent of fluid and mesenteric fat are seen. No definite enlarged lymph node or mass could be located. So the diagnosis is intussusception. Now the take-home message. In case of intussusception in children, don't forget to check and mention about the surrounding lymph nodes, as mesenteric lymphadenopathy is the common cause for this condition. For elder patients, don't forget to search for mass lesions. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.